If your Windows subsystem for Android is unable to connect to the internet, this could be happening because your network connection is not configured correctly. So, in this tutorial we'll teach you several solutions so you can fix your Windows subsystem for Android. In the first solution, we'll reset your Windows network settings. In the next solution, we'll change your DNS server. If you want to undo the changes, just go back to Edit and select Automatic DHCP. In the next solution, we'll use a series of commands that will reset and repair your network configuration. In the last solution, we'll reset and repair your Windows subsystem for Android app. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Apps and Features section. Locate Windows Subsystem for Android. Click on the little dots to open the Windows Subsystem for Android options. Click on Advanced Options. Look the Reset section. If the Windows Subsystem for Android app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Windows Subsystem for Android data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Windows Subsystem for Android is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. The Windows Subsystem for Android data will be deleted. Press Reset again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.